Hey everybody, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. So, holy crap, you guys, we are in September. And I'm not gonna say that I can't believe it because I do believe it, but we're like almost at 2019. This is insane. I don't remember the last time I did a favorites video, but I know that it's been a while. I figured that I'd share a couple of the things that I have been using non-stop every single day when I wear makeup. I've been pretty much doing the same look, and I did show it to you guys. It's like a 5-minute tutorial. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it in the description box below or in a card up here somewhere. But of course, some of these are going to be no-brainers, like if you've been watching my videos, and some of these are going to be like, You want to see all of the things that I've been loving for the month of August. Oh my god. Then just keep on watching, and I'd love to share them with you. So for starters, we got this hot bot over here, and this is the KKW fragrance, the peachy one, and let me just spray some. Fun fact, sometimes when my anxiety is really bad before I film, I spray some perfume. Not necessarily this one, but whichever one that I have, I'll spray some of it, and it makes me feel like a lot better. This was such an amazing summer scent, and I love scents because they just trigger a memory. Sweet pea and Hawaiian breeze or something like that, or is that a car scent? Anyways, these body mists, they're the ones that remind me of like high school. So this is definitely gonna remind me of summer 2018, even though, oh man, this year has tried me. Such an amazing, sweet, peachy scent, but not too over the top. I don't think it smells too like young, and I also don't think it smells very mature. So I suck at explaining things, obviously, but I do love this. And if you were thinking about like a summer scent or like a peachy scent, I definitely recommend you try this out. So this next one coming up, you were definitely going to expect, and that is the Laura Mercier Concealer, the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. You guys, this is the one I have on right now. I actually only have this concealer on the center of my face, but besides that, I don't have any foundation on, and I have been loving it. It's been my go-to in like, I don't know how many videos now, and it's really such an amazing full coverage concealer that can blend out really well. And I have redness, so I'm very particular with the concealers that I wear when I don't wear foundation, because sometimes in pictures things can look real crazy, and I know if you have redness, you know exactly what I mean. Like, it's very hard to just pull that concealer look. It's definitely a staple now. For my brows, I'm like going in no particular order, obviously, but what I've been using is this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm in the shade Ash Brown. For a while, I was using another pencil. It was by CYO, I believe, and it was just very dark. And nobody told me anything, so damn guys, I was looking real crazy. They were so dark. And then I switched to this one, and I was like, I know I'm gonna get used to it, and I feel like this is a bit better shade for my face, and it doesn't make me look like those black Sharpie eyebrows. So I definitely recommend this. Is very easy to blend out, and it lasts a very long time. I do my eyebrows every single day, unless like I'm having a weird face, but besides that, every single day. So I know I haven't been doing any winged liner in any of my looks. It's just something that I haven't been gravitating to, and it's funny because it was like my go-to look for high school, a very thick wing. Like, oh my god. Fun times. But anyways, lately what I have been loving when I do wear a wing, which isn't often, so I thought I'd give it to you guys today. It's a half winged liner and a thin one. So the product that I've been using is the Wet n Wild Skinny Tip Eyeliner, and it's, well, guess what it is. It's a skinny tip. It's been really easy to do a winged liner. It's like super thin, but it's also flexible enough to do that, like, you know, that connection. You know what I'm talking about. I figured I'd share this foundation with you, even though I know I've been stating I haven't been wearing foundation. When I did maybe 3 or 4 times until August, to be honest. I have been using this one. This is from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Cushion Foundation. It has SPF of 15. So yes, it's one of the cushion foundations, and this is actually the first cushion foundation I have ever tried. It smells so good. I know that it's infused with coconuts or coconut derivatives or something like that. It was on the packaging. It doesn't feel like it melts off your face, especially in these hot, humid days that we've had so far. I have been loving it as a very nice natural finish. I don't know about you guys, but I can have the same color on my nails for a really long time. I'll probably wear a nail color for like 3 weeks straight. Like I'll redo them and then I'll get tired of the color and move on to another one, but I could wear the same color for like a month. And for the month of August, I wanted to change it up from my usual green and mauve type shades that I always do. So I switched over to the KL Polish shade in November for the month of August. If you guys didn't know, I don't think I've ever shared, but I only wear KL Polish nail polishes. They are the best. I will never change. If you ever see a nail color on my nails, obviously during a video, then it's KL polish. This one is caramello. Wanted to switch it up, and November is such a pretty like pink with a touch of peachiness to it, and it was just an amazing color to use, so I used that basically for the entire month. On my eyes, I have been wanting to wear more makeup outside of my beauty videos, and what I've been using is the Lemonade Craze palette from Maybelline. I had purchased this I think like as soon as it came out. I like it. I don't love it, but I do like it. I've been using all of the neutral shades. I've been loving this sweet tea in my crease. It's all I've been doing. Today I have a little bit of citrus, a little bit of main squeeze. I'm doing this upside down, and some strawberry lemonade. These three on my lid today. I just wanted to pump it up just a little bit, and then on the outer V I have Old Fashioned. On my lips, oh my gosh you guys, I have fallen head over heels with the Ultra Blotted lip formula from Colourpop. It's like it was made for me. It was meant for me. I have been loving it because sometimes when you're not wearing a lot of face makeup, a bold lipstick or liquid lip just looks a little bit off. Just sometimes. I mean, I do it all the time, but I feel like the Ultra Blotted lip was made for the person that wears minimal makeup or doesn't like heavy makeup. It just looks so cute and flirty. I think in my last video when I talked about it in my lip video, like my top 8 lip products of the summer, that video I said it makes me feel like sassy, but I think the term I was really going for was flirty. For highlight, I've actually been going for my Amrezy and Anastasia highlight. We'll never get over this wave, and I will literally be very sad once it goes away because I've been using it so much. I love it as a nose highlight. Like out of everything, I mean, it's an awesome highlight, but I love the nose highlight that it gives me. I mean, I just think it's so cute. And this, I think, has got to be the breadwinner of the month of August, and I'm so happy. And it's just so crazy how everything works out because I wanted to cancel my Ipsy bag. I just wasn't excited for it anymore, and okay, so I got my August bag, and I honestly didn't even open the package for like 3 days that I had it, and I saw this mascara. Little did I know that it was everything that I have been looking for. I've been on a hunt for a good mascara like that's perfect for me, and I think I found it. It is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it's actually causemetics, not cosmetics, causemetics, and it is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It's perfect. It's the one I'm wearing today. It's the one I've been wearing in my past couple of videos too, and it squiggles off when you take it off, and I think that's like the most important for me when you remove mascara, because sometimes it just takes way too long, and sometimes it like burns my eyes. Like I feel like I might go blind when I take my mascara off. Sometimes it has nothing to do with the remover. It's literally the mascara. I hate when I just gets all panda-eyed, and it's just not for me, okay? The only other one I've ever tried that has that feature, I guess, is from Cosmetics, like throwback Cosmetics, when she had her like city palettes. Does anyone remember that? She had this, I think it was a lengthening mascara, and it came off, like it tubed off, it squiggled off. And now I find another one, and it is everything. I love the way it lengthens my lashes. So that is basically it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it. You guys, I'm so sorry. I really forgot that today was Sunday. This past week has been very hard for me emotionally, and these are things that I always get like so scared to talk about. But I have certain like phases. I think I've talked about it before, maybe not, I don't know. I'm just getting really uncomfortable right now, but I just have phases that I feel sad. Like I feel sad. Anyways, so yeah, so that's what was going on this weekend, especially when it's that time of the month. Oh my gosh, it's like I feel like an alien is about to take over me. Like I don't even feel like myself. So maybe that's TMI, but I just wanted to share this with you guys, because I know I'm not the only one. Like I know that I can't be the only one. So I always want this to be a place where we could talk about things, you know? Okay, a positive place. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my August favorites. This is also like a little combination of the things I've been using all summer. Like I haven't talked about this, but I've been using it all summer. This hairstyle too, just because I've just had it with this weather, and I just want it to be my comfortable 70-ish degrees, you know what I mean? I hope you guys have an amazing night or day whenever you watch this. I hope you're having an awesome time. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Press that bell button. That way you get notified whenever I do post a video. And yeah, I'm gonna get it together, okay? I'm gonna remember my days, and although this video I know is going up super late, thank you guys. I love you. I did it! Oh my god, was this little colocho out the entire time? I can't. Warm up. Just get this off. How do I do this again? Okay. Wrong side. Peace. Okay, that was a fail. No, we're not gonna do that. Positive tip.